New Food Sunday. This one's a dessert, which are more exciting for me than you. But
I like dessert. It's okay. Yeah, so you picked this out. Well, what is it?
It's a Stroop Waffle, which is a Dutch treat.
Dutch treat.
Yeah, it's 2 wafers with caramel in the middle of it, and what it says you're supposed to do is you can eat it straight from the box, or you can put it on top of your cup of coffee, and it'll heat it up and sort of melt the caramel.
Ah. Well, you want to give it a close up?
Yeah. Sure.
It's kind of hard to work around the table.
Yeah. And how I heard about these was United Airlines had them as one of their like morning treats on the airlines for every the regular coach passengers. And they took them away, and a lot of people got pissed because they aren't as crumbly as cookies, and apparently they brought cookies in to replace these, and people were mad about that. Okay. But I also read that they're bringing them back this year.
They're on the planes?
On the planes, yes. So people are excited about that.
If they do it on a Sunday, it would be a Stroop Waffle. Yeah, Stroop Waffle Sunday. I had to check.
See, there's a little kid with one.
There's definitely a little kid.
They had a tweet.
Stroop Waffle.
We're starting 2019 on a sweet note. The Stroop Waffle will be back in the snack rotation.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I just threw the battery from the clock. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna heat up some coffee, or we're gonna make some coffee or something, and we're going to.
Yeah.
With the coffee, I guess.
Yeah, sure. Because here's how big they are. They're big enough for about a standard coffee cup. They fit right on there, and you let them sit for a minute, and then you eat them.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Getting ready?
Yeah, I'm putting it on here. Why don't you read what's in them? Or I will read what's in them.
You read what's in them.
They're
I am illiterate.
Toasted wafers filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla.
Real bourbon?
That's what it says.
Why have we not had these sooner?
I don't know.
I mean, for reals, I don't like saying it.
So the idea is that the heat from the coffee softens it a little bit, so it's not.
You mean the caramel?
Super crunchy, yeah. Yeah.
Because it actually does. You already did like the close-up deal,
yeah.
But it actually has caramel in between the 2 wafers. It says enjoy a Dutch classic.
Yeah, on some of them you can see there's definitely stuff in there.
Ooh, shucks! It's leaking. All right.
And look, the Dutch, it has a windmill.
By the way, have you been timing this?
No. I'm sure that it's not a precise science.
How will we know when it's been a minute?
You can eat it whenever you want now.
We might have to redo this.
Oh no.
We're gonna eat them all till we get it right, for science purposes. We'll just keep doing it. I think this is great that you picked this out. I had never heard of these, and honestly, I on purpose did not act excited when you showed them to me. But inside, I was like, yeah, you know. I thought it was a cool idea. That flappy lid was pissing me off. Okay. I'm gonna try mine.
Yeah, I'm going to also. It feels like it has warmed up a little bit. I don't think it really matters.
Mine doesn't. Mine's ice cold.
Well, it's okay. Oh, look how bendy it is.
I don't think that the coffee heated them up at all.
That's okay. Maybe the coffee wasn't hot enough.
Okay, so I'll do a close-up. I'm going to leave this piece, here. And, do like a... Yeah, this coffee did not heat anything up, honey.
Okay.
We're gonna have to try this again. I think I know what an episode of a Refood Sunday might be. But all right, so I'm gonna try mine unheated.
You can dip it in the coffee. That'll heat it up.
Huh. This is good, but this was a fail. Like unless it's false advertising, because the coffee is actually, there's not even steam, honey. Or, no, there's a little bit. Not a whole lot.
Well, maybe we should have, I don't know, done more with the coffee.
These are good, but they're raw. Raw?
No, they're cooked.
What's a raw Stroop waffle? It's this! Yeah, we're gonna have to try this again. This coffee
Well, we have
did not do it.
a bunch more of them, so.
It did not do it at all. Okay, well, New Food Sunday. These are actually tasty. I would think that they're intended to be eaten cooked, not raw. You could get
They're not raw.
salmonella and SARS from the Stroop Waffles. You'll get the Strooping Cough. Woo! That wasn't funny. If you laughed, you're not very smart, because that wasn't fun. New Food, I even snorkeled on that one a little bit. Okay, well, Stroop Waffles. We didn't do so good on this, but they are tasty. High five. Aha! We're trying it again. Honestly, they were pretty good. As far as sweets go.
Yeah.
It's a Dutch classic. I don't know, does that really mean it comes from Dutchland, where they wear the wooden shoes?
Holland.
I imagine little kids with wooden shoes going clomp, 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 clomp. Mother, I don't know what a Dutch accent sounds like. Rest a Stroop waffle on top of a steaming hot cup of coffee or tea. So we could have used tea. What about warm milk? You ever have warm milk?
No.
Warm milk is disgusting. I wouldn't recommend it. Oh yeah, it actually does say Holland. That's where them Dutchers are from. Manufactured by Daleman's Banket, not Blanket, Banket, BV, the Netherlands. Oh wow, they got a website. They're all up in this 2019, aren't they? They got a website. They got themselves a .com, not a .Dutch. I'm all out of jokes, you can tell. So this was made in Holland, distributed in New York by Brand Passport Incorporated. They too have a website. Guess who else does? Yeah. Okay. Has it been a minuto?
Probably.
You said you're going to time it, and now she's like.
Well, yes, it's been a minute. Well, my watch has stopped.
It's been thereabouts.
My watch has stopped.
My watch has broken. Hope not.
It really did stop, though.
My watch is still running. Let's take a peek at this beastly thing. Look at that. Look at that. You could also see my big old arm lump. Isn't that attractive? Okay. So I'm going to try mine. And, honey, it's still really not warm.
I don't know. Stick it in the microwave.
I really do. I don't think coffee is enough. I see the steam. Ow. The cup is hot. The coffee's hot. Oh, crap. I didn't expect that to go all the way in like that.
Excellent video.
Oh, ooh.
Well, it's probably melted now.
Ah, suck it, suck it. Pretty much the same. I think what they're showing on the cover is a bit of the old false advertisement. I think you have to have...
Camera magic.
You have to have this so darn hot, it would take your lips off in order for it to melt this stuff.
That's okay. It still tastes pretty good.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's not bad. Well, that does it for me. I classify it as a win. That's a good little dessert you got there. Thank you for picking that. I don't know why I did that. I was all excited about it too.